Bianca! Hi, Bianca. I miss you so much. Good morning. Is it morning there in Korea? Hi, Ted. Napalive kami. Oo. Kasi di na ako makatulog agad. So, ito... Ooh, it's morning in Korea. Hi, Says! Joke. Morning. Medyo lasing pa rin kasi ako, so... hindi ako nagkakape, guys. Did you know? I don't drink coffee. Kasi... Bakit kasi ako di nagti-drink ng coffee? Ang ganda one. Thank you, sis. So, here's the tea. Hindi ako nagdi-drink ng coffee kasi... Not so long ago, pero dati, nagpa-panic attacks ako. Ganon. Because I have PTSD from something. Ooh! Tapos, when I drink coffee, like, it imitates that feeling of when you're papunta na sa panic attack. So, ayun. Ayoko na mag-coffee. That's the tea. Kaya di ako nag-coffee. Kasi parang yung palpitation. Yeah. Parang malapit siya sa papunta na sa panic attack feeling. Tsaka parang di ko kailangan ng coffee. Kasi palagi akong energetic. Woo! But I love matcha though. Yes. Tsaka nagti-tea ako. Yun yung palagi kong kinakain. Tea. Ay, anong kinakain? Iniinom. Tea. Tapos, eto, binigyan ako ng cup dito. Never mind, nasa sink siya. Kulay pink siya, pero yung pag iniinom ko siya, where my mouth hits the cup, it's already greenish or brownish, kind of disgusting, but it's clean. But it's because of the tea, because I always drink tea. Wow! Thank you, Bianca. Mas pretty ka. Ayun. Kakantahan ko na lang kayo.
Sound.
Careful.
Sound. Sound. The way we move, skin on skin. No separation in the conversation, nah, nah, nah. Oh, and everything. Riding, wishing the wheels are fall. Time is taking me too long. Riding, fall.
Good morning.
I let you hurt me. Only stop it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start.
Ay, sorry. That was kind of witchy It wasn't me.
Push the start. Pushing up my brother for meditation. Gives me a little motivation now. Tell me what you want. Every else you want to do.
Anyways. Saan mo nabili yung mic, Job? Binibigay lang sa akin yung mga mic ko. So, ang dami ko ng mic ngayon. Hi, Sir Lori! I miss you so much. Long time no see. Pa-request pa, Maharani Queen, Yasmin version. Okay! Joke lang. Love you, Queen. See you next week. Oh my gosh, Sir Laurie, you're coming to the Philippines? Okay, see you soon. Ja, what anime are you watching right now? Right now, I'm watching Ajin. Yeah, Ajin. Pero hindi ako masyado nag-anime right now kasi binabasa ko yung Tokyo Ghoul manga. Tokyo Ghoul manga. Pinanood ko na yung Tokyo Ghoul anime, but it was a flop. Babe, it's too early for a live, but anyway, it's... ganyan talaga. Medyo lasing kasi ako, so kailangan kong you know, we need to lower that energy. We need to take it all out. Ja, what the... Ja, what the specific color of your hair? Kala ko sasabihin mo, Ja, what the... what the F, ganun. So, yung hair ko, siya? Mint green yung hair ko. Tas dito, it's blue. Pero nagmix ako ng blue with a little bit of purple.
Time is taking too long. Go off. And you hurt me. Always thought of you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start. And you hurt me. Always thought of you deserve me.
Bakit mint green? Wala lang, ganyan talaga ako. Experimentational. Experimentation. Jao, be, anong chika may teacher sa harap? Di ko mal.
Pushing my buttons with the hesitation. Gas me up. This is simple.
Hiraya spoiler, Bessie. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hiraya! Hiraya! So, yun yung comeback namin na Hiraya. Stay tuned, guys. Yun yung chorus namin. Isa pa ba? Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa? Ng Hiraya? Spoiler. O sige, gusto niyo pa eh. Oh, okay, so ito siya. Ayun, stay tuned guys. And that was our new comeback. Hiraya. Anyway, bye guys. Hi Eriko. Bye guys. I'm gonna read manga now. Mwah. Bye guys. Mwah. Eme. Kala nyo ha.